Is your engine running rough, misfiring, and leaving a very strong smell of unburned gas in the air? You might have an engine control module that has completely exhausted its ability to keep your engine running smoothly. Let us talk about diagnostic trouble code P02D4. This specific code stands for Cylinder 5 Fuel Injector Offset Learning at Minimum Limit. Your vehicle has a highly intelligent engine control module that constantly learns and adapts to changing conditions. As parts wear out, temperatures change, and driving habits vary, the computer slightly tweaks how much fuel the injectors spray. If something in the engine forces the computer to constantly pull fuel away from cylinder number 5 to keep the air and fuel mixture balanced, it eventually hits a hard limit. When it can no longer adapt and reaches that minimum limit, it turns on your check engine light and triggers this exact code. The symptoms of this issue are usually very obvious from the driver's seat. You will notice a major drop in your gas mileage, severe engine misfires, a noticeable lack of throttle response, and overall poor engine performance. You might even see excessive dark smoke coming from your exhaust tailpipe under heavy acceleration. So what causes the computer to max out its learning limits? The most common culprits are vacuum leaks from a cracked intake manifold gasket or a broken intake tube. It could also be a severely plugged engine air filter, a mechanically defective fuel injector on cylinder number 5, worn-out piston rings, or a blown cylinder head gasket. To start troubleshooting this issue at home, the very first thing you should do is open the hood while the engine is running and listen very closely. A vacuum leak often makes a loud, distinct whistling noise. You should also pull out your engine air filter and look at it. If it is completely caked in dirt or looks sucked in, replace it immediately, as a starved intake can completely throw off your fuel trims. Next, locate the fuel injector for cylinder number 5. Because injectors are mounted down in the intake, they often collect water and dirt. Look at the electrical connector for any obvious corrosion or broken wires. Clean any debris out of the area. If you replace the air filter and cannot find any vacuum leaks or damaged wires, it is time to hand the keys over to a professional mechanic. Diagnosing internal engine wear, checking cylinder compression, or finding exactly why an injector is failing requires advanced scan tools and mechanical expertise. Messing with fuel mixtures without the right tools can cause severe engine damage. Play it safe and let a certified technician handle the deep diagnostic work. Drive safely and take care of your vehicle.